Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from Western Kentucky, where a 375 horsepower Massey Ferguson 4900 articulated four-wheel drive tractor is working on spring primary tillage, turning under corn stalks with a 32-foot wide KRAUSE 4950 tandem disc, with an Unverferth rolling harrow in tow for finishing the seedbed. In this presentation, I would like to share with you the tractor's production history, specifications, and original price tag, as well as taking a ride in the cab of the tractor to visit with the farmer. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this big tillage team at work. The Massey Ferguson 4900 was new for model year 1980. It joined the 4000 series of articulated tractors that were introduced in 1978, which included the 225 horsepower 4800, the 265 horsepower 4840, and the 320 horsepower 4880. The 4900 was the new top-of-the-line tractor from the brand, and these tractors were produced through 1982 in Detroit, Michigan. On September 29th, 1982, Massey Ferguson announced that they would be closing the Detroit plant and that four-wheel drive production would move to Brantford, Ontario, where the tractors were produced through 1985. The 4900 is powered by a 14.8-liter, 903 cubic inch Cummins 903 V8 turbocharged engine, rated at 375 horsepower. It is equipped with a 190-gallon diesel fuel tank. It features a partial power shift transmission with 18 forward and 6 reverse speeds, which allows it to travel from 2.4 up to 19.2 miles per hour. When this tractor rolled off the assembly line, it weighed in at 27,000 pounds and has a recommended operating weight of 30,965 pounds. And can be fully field weighted up to 34,000 pounds. When the Massey Ferguson 4900 articulated four-wheel drive tractor was new, it had a base list price of $123,235. If a customer wanted to add a 3-point hitch, they would pay an additional $6,031, and the tractor could be equipped with a PTO, which had a price tag of $3,264. I'm up in the cab of the Massey Ferguson 4900. You can see it working along here on the headland, finishing up the field. The tractor has a giant cab. This would really have been top end size-wise for the 1970s and 80s when this tractor series was offered as the 4000s. Look out the window. listen to that purr of the Cummins V8 engine. And take a look back there at the KRAUSE disc. So it's working up the stalks. So how do you like this tractor?
It's been an okay one. We've had it for several years. Some little minor grievances here and there, but very reliable machine.
What kind of transmission do you have in this one as far as shifting?
Standard 18-speed Massey transmission. You got your 1, 2, 3 reverse, and you got your high and low, and you got 3 power shifts.
Yep, we can take a look over there and see everything in the hydraulics and the shift.
Hydraulics, your main, range, and your power shift.
It's definitely nicely laid out.
Ignore all this because this doesn't work anymore.
Okay.
Even though they were known for their electronic 3-point hitch when they first came out, some components don't weather the storm too well.
Well, when it's been in the field for 40 years.
It gets old like the rest of us.
But
it's
still a good tillage machine.
Yeah, and the 3-point hitch still works. This is hooked up to a hydraulic outlet. So this one we have a special little block we bought that we press this button here. I can use this handle, this lever right here.
Okay.
The 3-point hitch up and down. So that was when we had that 3-point hitch spreader.
Well, I appreciate the ride along. It's a great tractor to see, and always nice to see big Massey Fergusons.
There's not very many of them around, but where they are, they are.
I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this Massey Ferguson 4900 articulated 4-wheel drive tractor working on spring tillage. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video if you run a Massey Ferguson tractor on your farm. Tell me about the model that you have and the implements that it operates. If you've appreciated this presentation, I hope you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 3,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.